everyone, I was gifted this trellis. It is so nice, super easy to put together. It's a one-man job until you get to the base, and it does help if you have two people just to hold the top part. This is on wheels, so you can move it. The wheels lock. You have great drainage, and this is great for privacy. So let's take some more looks.
This is such a beautiful design and it is so functional. I love the locking wheels. The wheels all lock and they move like a dream. I'm going to show you that in a minute. You have all of these drainage holes, and then I love the back. You can still see through it. Also, if it's really windy, this is going to prevent it from toppling over because the wind can get through, and you could even put some vining plants on here and that would be so pretty. It is still kind of winter here into spring, and so I just have some faux trees in here, and this even looks stunning. This is so great if you have sun as well. You could move this to block a little bit of the sun. It is so easy. You can move it from place to place. Even with this was filled with a lot of dirt, the wheels on this are so great. It would be really easy to move. This comes in a couple of different sizes. It is metal, so well made. I could just think of so many options for this. It like kind of creates an additional room and space as well. Definitely check out the links below.